Hello everyone, let's see how to select multiple shades in Excel. So first click on the shade name, then hold the shift key of the keyboard, then select here the last shade name. Now you can see the Excel will select all sheet from first to last. Okay, that's it. To deselect it, double click on the any selected sheet and you can see the all sheet here deselected. And the second way, first select the sheet. So I select the here February. Then hold the control key of the keyboard. Now you can select the any sheet. So I select the April, July, and September. Now you can see only February, April, July, and September here selected. Okay. Then I right click on the selected sheet and here can hide this all selected sheet. So I click on the hide and you can see only selected sheets here hide. To unhide again, right click on the any sheet name and click on the unhide option. Then select the first one, then hold the control key of the keyboard, then select the another one and next and next. After that, click on OK and you can see all sheets here unhide. Next, to select the all sheet, right click on the any sheet name and here the one option, select all sheet. Click on it and here you see all sheets here selected. Here the one bonus tip, when multiple sheets are selected, anything you type, format or insert on one sheet is applied to all selected worksheet. Suppose here I select the one cell and type here subscribe. Okay, just edit here. Okay, then I select this, go to the home tab and I bold this letter, fill the color and increase the font size. And here you see, okay. Now I deselect this all selected sheet. I double click on the any sheet here and you can see now selection here deselected. Now click on the any sheet, you can see subscribe name here showing. Okay, again I show you. Now I select the March month, then hold the control key and select the May and July. Okay. Now here I type PND Tech Zone. Okay. Now here I select only March, May and July. Now I deselect these all three sheet, double click on the any selected sheet. Okay. You can see deselected all. Now I click on the March. You can see the PND Tech name, May and July. And if you click on the other another sheet, you can see the name PND Tech Zone here not showing. Okay. So this is so helpful. So hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.